First, apply the Lancôme Genifique Hydrogel Melting Mask. It gives skin instant radiance, hydration, smoothness, and plumpness in just 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to apply the Lancôme Genifique Eye Serum. It makes the skin around the eye contour appear firmer and well-rested, and its flexible massage applicator targets above and below the eye and reduces the appearance of fine lines and eye bags. Now I'm applying the Lancôme Genifique Serum, which hydrates the skin and makes it visibly softer and smoother, as well as helps reduce the appearance of fine lines. After the Genifique Serum sits in, apply the Lancôme Rénergie Multi-Action Ultra, an anti-aging cream for tightening, lifting, and firming. It corrects dark spots and has a luxurious texture that melts on the skin. Using the Lancôme Engrave Your Love Collection Eye and Blush Palette, I'm applying the satin brown shade all over the crease. Next, I'm creating a wing liner using this purple shimmer shadow for a pop of color. Now apply Lancôme Cils Booster, a lash conditioner and primer in one, with microfibers to lengthen and help lashes appear longer and fuller. This primer will maximize the results of your mascara. After applying the Cils Booster, follow up with a Definicils Mascara. It lengthens, separates, and conditions lashes from root to tip. I'm applying the same brown shade I used on the crease around the perimeters of the face to add dimension. Next, I'm applying the shimmery pink blush all over the apples of the cheeks for a wash of color. For a touch of shimmer, I'm adding the rose gold highlight shade to the high points of the face. To finish off the look, I'm applying the Lancôme L'Absolute Rouge Hydrating Lip Color in the shade 132 Caprice. No look is complete without the iconic La Vie Est Belle fragrance. Apply it to your pulse points to make your scent last. When you're ready to take off your look, use your Lancôme Bifacil Double Action Eye Makeup Remover on a cotton pad and gently massage around the eye area. The Lancôme Beauty Box includes 9 full-size favorites valued at $440 for only $75 with any $42 Lancôme purchase.